Here's the second one from my birthday that I didn't open. This is the only one I really wanted, but it was only like $8. So I was able to pick this one, which I just opened. My little custard bun. Okay, it's a weird cat. Yeah. I don't want to call it weird, but it's funny. It's silly. I really want this one with the coffee. Other than that, if I don't get it, I want anything but the donut. I don't really eat donuts. Okay, let's open. Coffee cup. Coffee cup. Okay, this one also comes in a bag, but what if it's a clear bag? Huh? Hold on. Wait. What? Oh. Oh my gosh. I got the donut. Dang it. It's so small. It didn't even feel like I got a figurine. I got the donut. Dang it. Fudge, man. I'm gonna go back and get another one. Hopes and dreams shattered by the donut. It's kind of fun to get disappointed, but like if it was something I really wanted, I'd be so mad. Okay, so I have a stand right here, and then I guess I could put the donut like, oh no, I can't put it anywhere but here. Okay. I don't know what's supposed to go right here though. Hold on. What? Oh, it's tail. Hold on. Oops. Like so. Like this. That way everything is held in place. Dang donut. Man. It won't even stay. It's too loose, but this is what I got. Donut at supper time. When donuts on a bagel. You can have donuts anytime. It's the light. It's, sorry guys. Wow, that's like super exposed. Okay. It's okay.